So this video is going to show how to attach the laser to the scalar mat, and it doesn't matter what size, they're both the same. This just happens to be the small size. So the same as with the probe, it's attached in the front here with this flat part lined up, upward like 12 o'clock position. Make sure it's nice and snug. And then this is a little easier because each of the scalar mats comes with already its own cord in here, and you just line up the two flat parts. Again, making sure that it's nice and snug. So then when you go to turn on the laser, and whatever the setting is that you're using, in this case it'll probably be on wind, you can use any of the settings. And again, it says running class 3 laser in use, but there's nothing coming out of the laser because the scalar wave is now being directed in through the mat, in through the pad. So you can just lay on this, you can put it on your knee, you can sit on it. It's really awesome to get the benefits of the scalar wave being powered with the laser, but not having any actual laser light coming out.